So I have a very late November Look Fantastic box that apparently got lost in the post. Let's get in here and see what's what. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today is an unboxing video and it is this. This is the Look Fantastic November box. It is very late. Apparently it got lost in the post. So straight away I'm really unimpressed. Yeah, let's get in here. If you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And of course, if you like this video, which I really hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. Helps my channel out so much. So here is the box. It is a lovely silver colour. I was in two minds whether to even open this on camera and upload the video because with it being so late, but we'll do it in any way. We have the edit booklet cardy thing here with information on the products in here, which is great. And then there is a sneak peek and everything looks really small. Let's get in here and have a dig through to see exactly what we've got. So looking at the edit card, it just says here this edit is called Party Prep, and the first product we have is this. So this is by the brand Revolution and it is a mini reloaded palette, Velvet Rose. This palette is the formula you know and love in a mini format, perfect for on the go and travel. Yeah, cool. Love a good little palette. Them colours look so cute. Let's open it up properly. So yeah, there are the colours. Really like them colours. Let's do some swatching. So I'm gonna swatch this one here, that middle goldy one, this dark brown one, that's like a little shimmer one. Let's do that. And I have one more finger left. Let's do that one. There's only one that's not getting swatched. Oh, nice. So that is them there. Very nice. That gold is very yellowy. Don't know if I'm keen on that, but the other colours are really nice and really pigmented. Oh, that shimmer one, which is here, it's practically my skin tone. You can barely see it, but you can see a little sheen there. Yeah, really nice. Really like that. The second product we have is this. So this is by the brand Avant, and this is a Pro Performing Collagen Touch Eclat Primer. This is a lightweight with a silky texture. This primer creates a smooth canvas that's ready for any kind of makeup. We did receive this in another box, didn't we? I think. I'm sure we did. But I don't mind because it's Avant. This is a really expensive brand. I think this is sealed. Yes, it is. We're going to keep it that way. Not normally into primers, but I'm certainly going to give this a go. I love getting stuff from this brand because it's something that I can't afford to buy off my own back. So I love the beauty boxes because we get Avant in it. So yeah, that's a plus. The third product we have in here is this. So this is by the brand Bondi Sands and it's Pure Deep Sleep Tanning Mask. Create the illusion of a sun-kissed glow with this self-tanning sleep mask. Very teeny tiny size. There's 10 mils in here. Not really into tanning. Haven't been for a long time. I might try it again in a few months time. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, I suppose it's a nice little size to try to see if you like it, which is great. Yeah, for the tan lovers out there, I suppose it's going to be nice for you to try. Fourth item we've got in the box is this. So this is by the brand Colour Wow and it's Dream Coat. There's 50 mils in here and it just says encourage smooth sleek hairstyles with this anti-humidity spray, a heat activated spray designed for all hair types. Yeah, cool. I tried this years ago. I think I've got some in my drawer actually. I need to try. Oh, got it. I need to try this again because I seriously can't remember what it's like. Maybe I'll do a little mini short video on it possibly. Do you like this? The fifth item we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand Brushworks, and this is a no crease hair clip, or clips. There's two in here. It just says useful when it comes to sectioning and styling wet or dry hair. This set of clips contains robust hair clips in soft pastels. Yeah, let's have a look. I was actually due to pick some more of these up because I keep losing mine. So it looks like I've got another two to keep me going. Yeah, they are. And then you can just section your hair like so. Yeah, really cute, really handy. Yeah, nice. Sixth and final product in the box is this. So you'll get one of two. So you can either get the Luxie 205 tapered shading brush in rose gold, or you can get the Clear Cream shader brush, and I've got the Luxie one, and it just says, obviously this is full size, create professional makeup looks with the shading eyeshadow brush, a crafted high quality tool that expertly buffs out product on the lids. Yeah, cool. I mean, have we received this before? This brush by this brand? I think possibly. I mean, it's lovely that you can feel the quality. It's so soft and gorgeous. I do like sets of brushes, but then I like collecting brushes, so I'm in a catch-22 situation. But yeah, I really like that. That's going to be very handy. Right guys, so this is my very late Look Fantastic November box. So straight away, totally not impressed that it's late. I messaged them and they got back to me going, oh yeah, we do apologise, it must have got lost in the post. But I didn't even get an email to tell me that it would be posted like I normally do. And they said they'll sort it and I'll get an email when they post one out to me. Which took a while. That took like a week for them to actually, after my message, for them to post one out to me, and then I had to wait for it to get here as well. And obviously now it's December. But yeah, really good box. I really like this. The one thing I'm not going to get any use out of is the tan product, but the little hair clips, certainly will use them on the daily. The colour wow, I need to use that and refresh my mind on what it's like. The eyeshadow palette is gorgeous. Really happy to get an Avant product. Eyeshadow brush, yeah, that's going to come in handy too. So yeah, really good box. Just a shame that it got lost in the bloody post. But yeah, let's hope my December box arrives on time. That would be good. What did you get in your Look Fantastic box for November? Because obviously they can differ, the odd product here and there. Did you get the same as me? Did you get a product that was different? Comment down below and let me know. But that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.